work out how the exhaust fits in behind the frame.
We can get it all to work, but for this.
Have an amputated hand?
It's gonna be good.
I'm gonna change my mind. Let's stay.
G'day guys, this is our final garage sale. We're selling everything, our whole lives, even me t-shirt, even me pants.
We've got so much stuff to clear out of our apartment, so today we're doing a garage sale.
Yeah buddy, you can have that. $50. So we actually sold heaps of stuff today. Sold like motorbike boots, sold clothes. Did pretty good, probably made about $5,000.
Degloving injuries. What does degloving mean?
So the bone is still in place, however all the skin has been taken off.
We're going to our first aid training course so that I can save Steve's life in an emergency.
Yeah.
And vice versa. I'm looking for where to go. Oh, this is shop 1 and 3. Where am I? Wrong way. I wonder what we're gonna learn.
How to save lives. Who's helping us with this?
Kevin McSweeney from the Michael Hughes Foundation.
So we're going to do our 30 compressions and 2 breaths. So we're going to try and do a third depth of the chest. Have an amputated hand?
Yep.
Get a grip on the situation, Amelia.
I've got a handle on it.
Everything's went in your test, Amelia.
I think I did pretty good.
Thank you, Kevin.
Oh, my pleasure.
Yeah, we've got lots of packing and preparation to do, so we've come to Adventure Moto, who are going to help us out with our motorcycle gear, setting up our motorbike. What do you reckon, Steve?
And also all of our clothing.
Yeah.
Introducing Steve Smith, living legend from Adventure Moto.
We're planning a little trip from here to New York.
Thought you'd given up that wandering lifestyle, mate. Hopefully we can help you with some gear. God forbid you come off, mate, but I know how you ride. So it might come in handy just to have some protection.
That is powerful.
Planning for an adventure is a lot of hard work.
It gets very stressful sometimes. You need to de-stress yourself by swimming.
So it's going to be pretty hard to say goodbye to this neighbourhood. We'll take you on a little walk down to our local swimming spot. Do you reckon people who are watching us want to see us succeed or want to see us fail?
I think a mix. I think even those who want us to see us succeed would actually enjoy seeing us fail as well, and vice versa.
Damn you guys.
I think they just want to see the highs and lows of our lives.
Right, okay, fair enough.
And as we learn to do things like clean the dust off the lens and stuff like that, which we'll get to eventually, if you see specks of dust, it's just a learning thing.
I also got to build up my arm muscles to hold this camera. This is a challenge. So this is our backyard. Hello, Bondi.
I brought down the hand plane, but I think it's too cold.
The hand plane. Can I show you the hand plane? You may know this. Steve recently proposed to me, and he gave me his grandmother's engagement ring, which is beautiful, a nice symbol to join his family. And I gave him this engagement ring.
It's really nice in my
Fits
finger.
perfectly. It's actually the sunset of the place where he proposed. It's a painting of that same spot, which is nice. And then I painted this on the back, so it's a special message just for him. Oh. Anyway.
It's really cold. Currently here at Technic Motorsport with Greg behind you, the man in blue, also lives and breathes blue, and Nick, Technic Motorsport. So Nick is working on the suspension and Greg is working on the bike build, all the parts and accessories. And by the end of the day, we're going to somehow have a complete bike. Try to work out how the exhaust fits in behind the frame, because it seems like they're not all going together very, very well at the moment.
They come out under here. What about if you can twist that around?
Any options?
No, it's the box that's going to hit it back, is it? Yeah.
So it doesn't all fit. What's the bit that seems to be wrong? Which part?
Do you remember how on your old bike I cut things up, welded them together?
Absolutely.
Right. Hello. So we can get it all to work, but for this,
I love your optimism.
I'm a realist. I have a welder and an angle grinder. That's the most positive part. Okay.
We put an angle grinder through there, but then they're not going to have that strut support there.
No, but then I have to weld a piece in.
Why just do it around, just do it in a different shape?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Around.
Not a bad idea. Fuck, that looks great. Look at that, it's like designed, like it looks like it's been actually designed for the pipe. Very fancy, Nick.
Why did the Mexican push his wife off the cliff? Tequila. Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
The move is well and truly underway. I'm going to take you on a little tour of the chaos that has been my home. Okay, I got a few worker bees today. Kaz, say hi.
Hi.
This is Kaz, who's hacking into the mainframe at the moment. This is Luke and Tomo. We kept packing down.
I've pretty much done the work most of the day, and Tomo's just sat here on his phone. Just
typical.
So that's actually documented now. We know the situation.
1 second that I paused.
These guys, they're working on probably their 100th table now.
Yeah.
It's pretty impressive. Here's Papa Aji, my dad. Say hi.
Hello.
He's helping as well. Here's the house. Whoa, it's a mess. It's a disaster. There's just so much stuff to do. I'm going to take you down to Steve now. Oh, that blinding afternoon light.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Look what we found here.
I'm trying so hard to get rid of these books. It's really hard.
What are you doing?
Trying to get rid of like some old books, like these ones. Yeah, it's really hard to find all these places to put these.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even read that title.
What? Look, this is actually really hard to get a hold of, to be honest.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're almost done. There's actually organised clutter here. This stuff's going to your dad, different places. We're almost there. Like, how's upstairs going?
Oh, upstairs looks like shit.
Still looks like shit.
Yeah,
Really?
I know.
Oh my god, why does it still look like shit?
Just because it's all the little pieces of shit.
It's a fucking pain in the ass, isn't it? Hi, so we've had a really fucking busy day today. Amelia was stuck at the house the whole day, running around like trying to pack everything up, which probably wasn't all that easy. And I, in turn, had to run around like a crazy man, getting all the final things ready on the motorcycle and all the different parts, make sure we've got all the tools and all that sort of stuff, so we can actually navigate to where we've got to go.
I mean, you know, a lot of people might say, well, maybe you could have started it more than 4 days before you wanted to leave.
But they don't know what it's fucking like packing up your whole house and all your shit. I'm really tired and I'm really delirious, actually. I'm literally delirious. It's been the 4th day of like hardcore packing, and it's always like the most shit time when you sort of question everything that you're doing. Like, why am I doing this? Why the fuck would I want to squeeze our whole life in these little tiny panniers? It doesn't make any sense. But I know that it's going to be
I'm
good.
going to change my mind. Let's stay.
Luckily, she's joking. Anyway, we're getting there. It's fine. It's all good. Gotta keep on trucking. We've got like another hour. Even if we just don't sleep, we're gonna get this done.
It's been a few hours since we last reported. Not quite finished, but bedtime. So.
It's totally nearly bedtime.
This is it. This is the day.
This is the day.
Oh, I'm so excited now.
Bye. All right, this is it, man. Unbelievable.
Time to gear up.
So no more whales every day. No more beautiful beach. Just beautiful road. Us on the road, and the rest of the universe. Feel like it's meant to be. It's definitely meant to be. Do you want to do this?
Yeah.
That's what you wanted?
Huh?
That's what you wanted? Cool. And how are you going to get it out in the morning?
Huh?
How are you going to get it out in the morning?
Where's the staple now?
Sure is. It's not going anywhere.